Greek timekeeping traditions represent a fascinating confluence of mythology, astronomy, and early scientific endeavor. Rooted in both practical necessity and cultural values, these traditions were efforts by ancient Greeks to measure and make sense of time, which was essential for agricultural, religious, and civic activities. This introduction to Greek timekeeping traditions is crucial to understanding the broader scope of echoes from the past, lost legends of Greek timekeepers, as it sets the stage for how these practices shaped daily life and influenced cultural narratives. The significance of Greek timekeeping can be illustrated through examples such as the antikythera-mechanism and the Tower of the Winds. The antikythera-mechanism, an ancient analog device discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of Greece, is often hailed as the world's first computer. It was used to predict astronomical positions and eclipses, demonstrating the Greeks' sophisticated understanding of time's relation to celestial events. Likewise, the Tower of the Winds in Athens is an architectural marvel that functioned as a large timepiece, featuring sundials and a water clock. It serves as an enduring symbol of the Greeks' ability to blend functionality with artistic expression. Supporting this idea are opinions from historians and archaeologists who argue that Greek innovations in timekeeping laid foundational work for the development of more advanced technologies in subsequent civilizations. The precise observations made by the Greeks allowed them not only to create intricate devices, but also to contribute to a more structured understanding of time, influencing everything from daily routines to religious festivals. However, there are challenges and alternative viewpoints regarding the interpretation of these ancient technologies. Some skeptics argue that the intended use and complexity of devices like the antikythera-mechanism are often overstated, attributing much of their sophistication to later historical embellishments rather than grounded scientific achievement. This exploration of Greek timekeeping traditions is deeply interconnected with other aspects of Greek culture, such as mythology and philosophy, revealing how the Greeks perceived the world around them and their place within it. By examining these timekeeping methods, we gain insight into a civilization whose legends and innovations continue to echo throughout history, influencing contemporary understandings of time and technology. In this journey through antiquity, the Greek mastery of timekeeping becomes a lens through which we can appreciate the broader narratives of ingenuity and cultural development. The historical overview of ancient Greek timekeeping methods encompasses a fascinating journey into how the Greeks measured and conceptualized time, profoundly influencing both their daily lives and broader cultural narratives. The ancient Greeks devised ingenious methods to track time, such as sundials and water clocks, which not only served practical purposes, but also reflected their philosophical and scientific advancements. Sundials, for instance, used the sun's shadow to indicate time, while water clocks, or clepsydrae, measured time through the regulated flow of water. These mechanisms highlight the Greeks' innovative spirit and their desire to understand and structure the world around them. The significance of ancient Greek timekeeping in relation to echoes from the past, lost legends of Greek timekeepers, lies in its ability to illuminate the sophistication and intellect of the Greek civilization, whose legacy paved the way for future advancements in timekeeping and scientific thought. By examining these early techniques, we gain insight into how the Greeks harmonized their lives with the rhythms of the natural world, creating a vivid tapestry of ancient life that continues to resonate through history. One specific example of Greek timekeeping is the Tower of the Winds in Athens, a marvel of Hellenistic engineering. This ancient clock tower was equipped with sundials, a water clock, and a wind vane, showcasing the integration of various methods to track time. Another example is the antikythera-mechanism, an extraordinary artifact discovered in a shipwreck that functioned as an ancient analog computer, predicting astronomical positions and eclipses. These examples underscore the sophistication and precision of Greek timekeeping devices and their broader impact on both contemporary and future technologies. Despite the evident brilliance of these innovations, challenges and controversies remain. The accuracy of ancient methods compared to modern standards is debatable, as sundials are limited by weather conditions and water clocks require constant monitoring. Additionally, some scholars argue that the significance of these timekeepers is often overstated, positing that such methods were reserved for the elite and not widespread in daily life. Understanding ancient Greek timekeeping methods offers valuable connections to the broader topic by illustrating how the Greeks' pursuit of knowledge and mastery of time influenced their mythology, philosophy, and daily practice. These timekeeping techniques were not merely functional, they were imbued with cultural and symbolic meaning, By delving into the legends and stories surrounding these devices, we uncover a rich narrative that echoes through the annals of time, offering timeless lessons on innovation, curiosity, and the enduring human quest to transcend and understand the bounds of temporal existence. When we delve into the significant figures in Greek timekeeping, we're exploring the lives and contributions of individuals who were instrumental in the development and refinement of timekeeping systems in ancient Greece. These figures were intellectual pioneers, blending science, philosophy, and engineering to shape the way time was measured and understood during their era. Their work holds significant importance in the broader narrative of Echoes from the Past, Lost Legends of Greek Timekeepers, because it highlights the human ingenuity and quest for knowledge that drove ancient civilizations to map the passage of time, a crucial component of daily life, agriculture, and religious practices. One prominent example is the philosopher and engineer Ctesibius of Alexandria, who, around the 3rd century BCE, developed innovations in water clocks, or clepsydrae. Ctesibius introduced a more consistent time-measuring device using regulated water flow, which greatly influenced timekeeping for centuries. Another figure, the astronomer Andronicus of Cyrrhus, designed the Tower of the Winds in Athens during the 1st century BCE. This structure incorporated various time-measuring methods, including sundials and a water clock, offering a comprehensive approach to tracking time and helping citizens understand seasonal changes. These figures and their contributions illustrate the intersection of culture and technology, where scientific advancements had profound cultural impacts. Ancient Greek timekeeping methods were foundational to the subsequent progress made by Islamic scholars and later Western civilizations, showcasing a legacy of innovation. However, it is important to recognize some challenges and controversies related to these figures. The scarcity of contemporary documentation often leaves us piecing together fragmented historical records, sometimes leading to disputes about the accuracy of attributing certain inventions or advancements to specific individuals. This ambiguity can spark debates among historians and scholars concerning the true origins of these technologies. In connecting this point to the main topic, understanding the contributions of significant figures in Greek timekeeping illuminates the broader tapestry of historical progress. It demonstrates how individual creativity and intellectual collaboration fueled advancements that resonate through time, influencing subsequent developments in science and the way societies structure and perceive their world. This narrative not only commemorates these ancient thinkers but also inspires modern audiences to appreciate the enduring legacy of human curiosity and its capacity to transcend ages. Innovations and techniques in ancient time measurement refer to the various methods and tools devised by early civilizations, particularly the Greeks, to measure time. These innovations were pivotal not only for daily life, but also for religious, agricultural, and social activities. The Greeks made significant advancements driven by their curiosity and need for precision, which had a lasting impact on future developments in horology. The significance of these Greek innovations within the broader topic of Echoes from the Past, Lost Legends of Greek Timekeepers, is immense. Understanding these timekeeping techniques allows us to appreciate the ingenuity and sophistication of ancient Greek society. Their advancements laid the groundwork for modern timekeeping and reflect the interconnection between technology and daily life in ancient times. One notable example of Greek innovation is the water clock, or clepsydra. This device utilized the steady flow of water to measure time, often used in legal contexts and during nighttime hours when sundials were defunct. Another example is the antikythera-mechanism, an ancient analog computer that calculated astronomical positions. Discovered in a shipwreck, this intricate device is considered a marvel of ancient engineering, demonstrating the Greeks' advanced understanding of astronomy and mechanics. Scholars and historians often marvel at these ancient techniques, suggesting that the Greeks combined scientific inquiry with practical necessity, leading to important technological leaps forward. These innovations are seen not just as isolated inventions, but as a testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of understanding the natural world. However, these ancient methods were not without challenges and controversies. The accuracy of water clocks was often affected by factors such as temperature and pressure, leading to inconsistencies. Furthermore, some scholars debate the true origins of these innovations, as similar techniques were used by other ancient civilizations, raising questions about cultural exchanges and intellectual borrowings across the ancient world. These ancient timekeeping methods connect deeply to other aspects of Greek society and the main topic of Greek timekeepers' legends. They exemplify how Greek innovation influenced their culture, governance, and mythology, far beyond mere technical advancement. The legacy of these timekeeping methods also echoes in contemporary times, emphasizing the relevance of ancient wisdom in today's technological landscape. Understanding Greek time measurement techniques offers valuable insights into their broader contributions to science, culture, and history, highlighting a continuation of human curiosity and the eternal quest to understand and measure the passage of time.